Advanced technology can bring us to many places, and I'm Dr. Eric Yun, and my mission is to bring advanced technology to everyone. Please allow me to introduce and show you our proud creations from Pioneer Medical Engineering. This is our very own supercomputer. Both the hardware and software are developed in-house. Don't underestimate it by its size. It can fold a human insulin protein from DNA within minutes, compared with days and hours with previous technology. We are going to fold the coronavirus spike protein in order to assist the medical research community. Apart from supercomputers, we build advanced daily medical products as well. What's next to me is a McKaren X1. We have combined robotics and AI into a wheelchair, turning it into an intelligent caretaker. The AI detects and predicts the user's input and enter the path, and aids off from potential danger. We want to bring an extra sense of care instead of just a blind machine. To support its structural integrity while keeping the weight down, materials such as carbon fiber, titanium, and aluminum are used extensively with our CNC machining technique. We are also excelled in 3D printing. We use industrial-grade 3D printers that are also chosen by top-tier manufacturers, alongside with our know-how to provide unparalleled performance, yet lightness at an affordable price. We are more than that. We are also involved in motorsport and aviations, as they are the essence of our inspiration for creations, such as lightness, performance, and safety. All of these technologies may sound expensive, but that is not how we do it. We try our very best to make everything affordable so that everyone can enjoy our technology and improving their quality of life. Our supercomputer can precisely calculate the correct resources to be allocated in different fields such as medical, business, and education. At the end of the day, we care the love.